How to restore missing deleted home screen icons on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here to click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down, and click on, you will see enable Wi-Fi logging. You will see enable Wi-Fi purpose logging. So if you want to restore missing delete home screen icon, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can restore missing delete home screen icons on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.